I really can't believe I pulled this off. I'm probably gonna miss this reservation. Because had I known it would have been this hard to maintain a pixie on vacation, I would have reconsidered. Wake up, gym, breakfast, do my hair, and then have a great day. Subscribe and join the fun. Thanks for returning, and if you're new here and haven't yet caught up, I have been in Europe traveling the Spanish Riviera for the last few weeks and been taking you along on the journey, so make sure you check out the other Spain vlogs after this one. Y'all, I'm really struggling. I wish that my hair was long enough to braid, because had I known it would have been this hard to maintain a pixie on vacation, I would have reconsidered. Anyway, I am on the way to see if we could go find a flat iron so that I could look presentable, because I'm not trying to be out here on vacation busting my whole entire vacation. Like, that was not what I envisioned in my life when I thought about myself being fabulous in Spain. This is not fabulous. Anyway, let's go see if we can find a flat iron. Hopefully y'all can hear me, but there's an entire walkway bike path situation that's in between the interstate that makes it so convenient. It's tree lined, it's shaded, and it's hot out here. So I'm grateful to not be boiling in the sun right now as I walk to get this flat iron. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Also, a black girl just passed me on a scooter. I wasn't sure where to start to find hot tools in Spain, so I literally just put flat iron near me and Markt came up. Comment down below, what is this store giving? They even have laser hair removal systems. They even have adapters that are specific to the new iPhone or the C port. Okay, here's why it's such a big deal in that I'm buying a flat iron in Europe. Your hot tools do not work from America in Europe. The voltage is different. If you try to bring that over here in Europe, you will short somebody's circuit and nobody will have a great day. So one of the hotels that I stayed in, and I'm actually going to show you on this channel if I haven't already, but one of the hotels actually had a converter so that they had the voltage where you could switch it between to convert to Europe voltage if you brought your American flat irons. I have not seen a hotel have that since, including the one that I'm staying in now. So don't want to look raggedy anymore. Getting a flat iron. Now the question is, do I want to invest in a flat iron? Because I mean, I already told y'all I could live here. So it could be my Euro flat iron. Decisions. Y'all, this is really hard. I still have my same flat iron that I've literally been using for 10 years. And then one that I purchased. Ooh, this is cute. Like, I have hair that's about this long, so I need a smaller flat iron, like a 3/4 inch, but they don't have ranges like that. I found a travel one that looks miniature that should work. I mean, it's gotta work at this point. It has to work. Oh, okay. So the travel one, the heat doesn't go up as far. So this goes up to 235 degrees Celsius, which what is like 415? This travel one only goes to 180 degrees Celsius. That would have played me. All right. Advanced ceramic coating with keratin treatment. Okay, so this one heats up in 15 seconds, has 9 temperature settings, ceramic coated, which is good for protecting your hair. I think Remington's going to take home the gold. Okay, so we're going to get this flat iron, and then I got to run to Sephora to get some products to straighten my hair so I don't singe it all off in the process. All right, we have secured the flat iron. Okay, now I'm in a supermarket. I was on my way to Sephora, but that was another 15 minutes. And as I said, it's hot. So now I came across this outlet mall, but it's giving Walmart. I feel like I should be able to find hair products here. Let's see. Okay, not there. Not in electronics. I asked the lady and she said it should be downstairs. So let's see. Yo, this is a shopping mall and a grocery store, like a huge grocery store. I'm just in the beverages section. Y'all, they have loofahs. I'm about to get so many things. Okay, we are close. We are so close. The tough part is all the instructions are in Spanish. So now I'm trying to just look at things and determine, is this straightening serum? The consistency is right. Shout out to this grocery store in the middle of Spain having a black hair section. Wouldn't you know they have flat irons here too, like a whole selection of hot tools, flat irons, blow dry brushes, curling irons, literally everything. So if you ever need one, you can find one at your local supermarket. Planchas de pelo. Not only is there medium mark, but there's a Teddy, which is like the Spanish dollar store. Need beach towels and beach hats? Teddy got you. The hats are like $4. Beach bags. Teddy got you. Stuff to play with your kids at the beach. Okay, I've secured all the goods. I would eat on the way back, but it is just 6:45 here. The Spanish tend to eat very late. A lot of the restaurants don't open back up for dinner until 7:30. So I have some time to kill. I plan to do dinner and then go straight to bed so that I can wake up, do my hair, and have a good day. Okay, I'm back. And we might as well do a mini shopping haul. Let me see if I can set it all up. One thing I do not regret is buying a 5-pack of these. I mean, this is like the perfect top. I could go braless if I want to. It's seamless. You can dress it up or down. I don't know why I fought so hard wearing uniforms in school and at work, because having a uniform for your life really is efficient. Anyway, I got these off Amazon. If you are interested, the link is down below. But let's get into the shopping haul. So first, let's start with the goodies I got from Markt. Of course, the piece de la resistance. This Remington flat iron with the keratin protect, because I'm not trying to have fried ends. No. So we will see what this is hidden. I also got an extra converter, US to EU converter. Actually, this is a US and Canada. US, Canada to EU converter. I already have one, but I also have a lot of devices, and I'm over struggling on this trip. And then after that, I was trying to brainstorm where I could get products, because I need products to put heat on my hair. So I'm like, Sephora, because I know they are plentiful out here. Like there's 3 in the area. And then Sephora was about a 15-minute walk, but it's also like 95 degrees.
It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees.
So yeah, I was about to do that, but then I came across this outlet mall. Yo, like, it was an outlet mall, but it was giving mall vibes, and then it had a whole entire supermarket under it. Like, I know that there are developed worlds out there. I know Spain and most of the EU countries are a part of that developed world. But it's like when you see how far they have surpassed the US, that you're just like, I might as well just move. Anyway, so on the way, I stopped by the pharmacy. I've been in Europe 3 weeks almost. It's time to make sure that the feet is together. I like to keep my feet smooth, so I got a little pumice stone to use in the shower. My little pumice loofah again, because I like to stay smooth. And this is one of the ways I do it. Now, of course, this is a disposable one. So after this trip, it's going in the garbage. But during this trip, I'm getting all of the air pollutants, all of the sand, anything that might be remaining in the top layer of skin, I'm getting it off. Hold on, let me get my other bag because I got multiple bags. It was given Target like so many things that I'm like, I do need that. Yeah, absolutely. Got a new pack of toothbrushes because why not? Bro, that's another thing. Water is so cheap in Europe. These 2 bottles of spring mineral water were about 30 cents. 30 cents each. I also got some maintenance things, clean up hairs on my legs. So I don't wax or shave or do anything on my legs except nair or beat. So got some of that. Got some feminine wipes because I'm running low and I like to keep those when I do my business. Got some more toothpaste. Now, I don't know if there's fluoride in this. It's made in Germany. There's fluoride. So got some Oral-B toothpaste so that my teeth could stay pearly white. Got some nail files because the minute, I need to lotion my hands. Oh my gosh, what is this life? Anyway, I got some nail files because I want to refresh my French tip. Like, it started to chip on some of the edges and I just want to clean that up. Unless I find a nail salon. I actually did find a nail shop and they were getting to business. I mean, she cleaned up my cuticles. She filed down my gel X. She laid that acrylic like it was nobody's business. The manicure was clean. I'm telling you, look at the shape. She really got me together. Y'all, I think I might have to move here for real. Do you see this? Come on now. Period. We'll see. On to the hair products. So I have not heard of this brand, Schwarzkopf, but I specifically needed heat protectant and they were the one brand that it was clearly marked in English. So here we are. So I got some heat protectant, got deep repair conditioner, shampoo. I already still have shampoo, so that's fine. And then I got some Pantene Pro V serum. I like to use this to infuse a bit of moisture into my hair when I'm straightening it. So, y'all, it is time for dinner, finally, because the Spanish eat very late. So it's time for me to get ready for dinner. I gotta figure out how I'm going to get presentable because the hair is not getting done tonight. That just doesn't make sense to like do my hair when I plan to go to the gym in the morning. Oh, I'll show y'all the gym after this. But I plan to go to the gym in the morning. It's pretty legit. They even have a squat rack. They had little weight racks. I will have to modify a lot of things because the weight rack was not extensive, but I can still get in a pretty good workout. So The plan is to spruce myself up as much as I can. I might be giving French babe vibes with a long scarf and some accoutrement, maybe lipstick, I don't know, in a dress. We'll see. And then shower and get ready for bed and wake up, gym, breakfast, do my hair, and then have a great day. Okay, y'all, so I'm back on the way to dinner, but just wanted to let you know, found a cute place. It is fairly close and I'm running late. It is 7:59 and my reservation is at 8. So anyway, I tried my best to pull myself together. My pixie is no longer a pixie. It's giving Peter Pan because the top is so long. I just did like 4 flat twists and slicked down the sides and the back as much as I could slick it down. Thank you to my past self because I got this pack of rhinestone hair clips off of Amazon like months ago, and for whatever reason, I packed one. Just one solitary one, but I think it kind of flows. So, and then I did some eyeshadow, put on some clusters, lip liner, and lip gloss because the struggle, like, I don't want to struggle in this life. The battle is not mine, it's the Lord's, and I don't want to struggle in this life or the next. So if the hair wasn't going to give, the face had to sit even just a little bit. It's an elevated casual restaurant. So I decided to wear this trapezius dress. I got it from Zara. And you know we can't forget the fragrance. I am wearing Guerlain Aqua Allegoria. This, I am obsessed. Like, it's fun and flirty, but also she moved out of her mama's house and got her life together. Subtly sophisticated. So this is the Bergamot Calabria. It has citrusy top notes, but somewhere there's like subtle hints of sweetness. It layers well. It's great for night. I'll put the notes here so that you can get a sense of what's in it. Y'all, it smells so good. Y'all, I really can't believe I pulled this off. I'm probably gonna miss this reservation, but I mean, it's only me. It should be easy to seat me. Check out the next vlog for all the specifics on what and where I ate in Spain. If you like these type of day in the life vlogs so you can get a sense of what your experience could be like in places around the globe, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below what was your favorite part of this vlog. It helps me understand what kind of content would best serve you, my travel community.